Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first ever video and it's featuring my friend Gigi. So today I will be organizing Gigi's pantry. Rubs hands like Birdman.
Oh, good.
And behind this door is her pantry. It's a Hot Mess Express. But we're gonna get her together today, all the way together.
Help me, please.
But what is wrong with you? She's crazy, y'all. But I'm super excited because this video is gonna give you guys 6 tips on how to organize your pantry at home. So stay tuned. Tip number 1, reflexivity. It's very important for you to reflect on your current organizational state so you can improve and maintain the function of your space in the future. Here's what Gigi has to say about the current function of her space.
Honestly, with my busy schedule, you know, I just got back into school. I'm a nurse, my boyfriend's a nurse. We just don't have the time to really go through all of this. And you know, honestly, I'm a hoarder. Like I said, I keep I don't need, so.
No, it's okay. It's okay. All right. So on 3, 1, 2, 3. Dun, dun, dun. So y'all, this is Gianna's current state of her pantry. You know, we're gonna get you right. So what is your method? Like, do you have like a system? Like, how do you find things?
Well, as you see, the bread is at eye level. We have the cans over here, generally.
Okay,
Snacks
so
are kind of over here.
there's some type of system. It's just not the way you would like it to be, right?
You know, cereals, oatmeal, you know, Tupperware in that general area. And then miscellaneous stuff on the floor.
Yes. I'm scared. We might find something that shouldn't belong in here.
There's probably a few things that don't belong in here. i.e.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start pulling everything out. So let's get started. Tip number 2, pull everything out of your pantry. Place all of your food items into categories as you're pulling items out of your pantry. This way you can see what you have, and it's gonna make the organizational process a lot easier. This is also a time to find things that may not belong in your pantry that can be placed elsewhere, i.e. Gianna's toolkit. And that leads me to tip number 3, purge. It's really important for you to throw away all of your food items that are expired since they really won't be of use to you anymore. All right, guys, so I'm kicking Gianna out. It's time. Say bye. When you come back, your pantry will be organized.
I trust you.
Bye, Gianna. Tip number 4, clean your pantry. Now that all of your food items are out of the pantry, this is a good opportunity for you to wipe down the shelving and to even sweep and mop the floors so that your pantry can be nice and clean when placing items back. Tip number 5, place your containers in the pantry. Placing your empty containers in the pantry gives you an idea where you would want things in your pantry, and honestly, it's a huge time saver, so I highly recommend it. All right, so I've pretty much finished placing everything in the pantry so far. So far, so good. These were super hard to put on wire, but you have to kind of get them, you know, the right place. And then the cereal up here probably will change. And I have the door storage, but I will probably change some of the stuff around, but for the most part I like it. So let's start placing stuff in here. And my final tip is to organize. So this is why the food categories in the first tip is super important, because you can use them to figure out how you want to organize your pantry. Also, be sure to label the containers within your pantry. I cannot stress to you how important this is. This way you can keep your pantry organized. As you can see, I'm labeling Gigi's basket with oatmeal using the bin clips from the Container Store, which the cool thing about these are they're erasable so you can change them at any time. And then I'm going to use some chalk labels for the baskets. All right, Gianna, are you ready?
I feel like I'm on Joanne's show.
All right, you ready?
Okay. What?
Actually, wait. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Turn this. Actually, we're going to use this. Look,
Okay.
your headband, pull it down.
Girl.
Okay, so I'm going to open it.
Okay. Whenever you're ready.
Okay. Wait.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Now you can,
Oh my
find
Lord.
everything.
Amber,
What?
what did you do?
I organized your pantry.
This is some witchcraft. Oh my God. Y'all saw this before. Oh my God.
So this is the final product of Gianna's pantry. I'm super excited how everything turned out. My favorite part of Gianna's pantry has to be the DIY spice jars that I did for her. They're super inexpensive and they look really nice in her pantry, so I'll definitely make a video about that later. I also love the over-the-door storage that I installed for Gianna's pantry. It was really convenient for me to put her bulk items there because she buys a lot in bulk, or just any items that didn't really fit into the categories that we had. So guys, that concludes my 6 DIY tips to organize your own pantry. I hope this helped you guys and inspire you to organize your pantry at home. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and while you're here, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. See you guys!